This is Ethan Reeves, the developer of Genie and founder of Ifrit Technologies. In this really quick video, we're going to be looking at the article extractor. Now, there are a lot of ways to get content into Genie. You can save articles yourself, you can query file articles in, you can add PDFs, you can add dockets, you can, of course, auto-file articles. The one other way to add articles, though, is to manually file them in. Now, the way you manually file articles in Genie is through the article extractor. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to save any article from anywhere on the internet into Genie in just a few quick clicks. This is great when you're doing your own research and you can pull the content in, organize it into your folders and collections, and know that it's going to be there available offline and synchronized to your team members. So I just did a quick Google search here for Iran oil sabotage, and let's pull in one or two of these articles. Great. Let's say that we think this is a fantastic article and we want to save it permanently. All we have to do is come up here, click this button, click the Genie lamp icon, tells us it's extracting the article, and there we go. Article extracted, 1,190 words. Now we're going to need to select a specific collection to save this article into. We're going to want to go to Extemp, Middle East, Iran, Alleged Oil Sabotage, which was a collection that we created earlier. We can see that this article doesn't have any credentials. That's probably fine since it's from the Associated Press, and everything's all set. So all we have to do is click Save. Now let's go back over to Genie and look at that saved article. We're going to go to Folders and Collections, go to Extemp, Middle East, Iran, Oil Sabotage, click on it, and there we have it. We can see this is the article that we just saved into Genie. Here it is, saved in clean plain text, available offline. We can now highlight it, share those highlights with our team members, cut cards from it, organize it into other collections, anything that we would need to do. You can do the same process with articles from any source online. This lets you ensure that you can always have the best research, even if it's from an obscure source that Genie might not file by itself.